In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on TC2000. By the end, you'll know the fastest, most precise way to move from a broad market view to a close-up look at price action, all without breaking your workflow. Zooming is essential when you want to inspect a specific swing, candle pattern, or indicator detail, and is just as useful when you need to step back and see the bigger trend. Let's keep it simple and practical so you can use it immediately on your charts. Place your mouse cursor directly over the chart area you want to adjust. Then use your mouse's scroll wheel. Roll the wheel forward to zoom in. As you do, you'll see fewer bars on the screen, which tightens the view and reveals more detail in each candle and indicator plot. Roll the wheel backward to zoom out. This widens your view so you can see more historical bars and trends at once. This is the easiest and quickest way to change your zoom level on TC2000. A helpful tip is to keep your cursor over the part of the chart you care about most. The zoom typically centers around your cursor's position, so hovering near a key price level or time range makes the chart hone in exactly where you want it. If you go too far in or out, simply roll the wheel in the opposite direction to fine-tune. Short, gentle scrolls give you granular control, while longer, continuous rolls move you through time and space more quickly. Watch how the time scale along the bottom compresses or expands as you scroll. Zooming in narrows the time window and exposes subtle intraday or bar-by-bar nuances, while zooming out broadens your context to reveal larger patterns, support and resistance zones, and trend structure. Indicators plotted in the same pane will rescale visually with the price action, so details like moving average touches or oscillator turns become easier to evaluate at the right zoom level. If the wheel doesn't seem to respond, click once on the chart to make sure it has focus and make sure your cursor isn't hovering over a watch list or another panel. If the movement feels too jumpy or too slow, you can adjust your mouse scroll sensitivity in your operating system for smoother control. That's it. To recap, roll the mouse wheel forward to zoom in and see fewer bars with more detail, and roll it backward to zoom out and see more history. It's the fastest, most intuitive way to navigate your charts in TC2000 and keep your analysis flowing. Now try it on your own chart and dial in the perfect view for your next trade decision.